Most homeowners rely entirely on contractors to quote construction prices without knowing whether the numbers are fair. But what if you could compute your own unit costs at 0 pesos? Today, we will explain how DPWH uses DUPA, the Detailed Unit Price Analysis, to compute the real price of concrete works, masonry, formworks, reinforcement, and almost every construction activity. DUPA is powerful because it gives you the ability to verify contractor quotations and understand the true cost of building your home. What DUPA actually is. DUPA is a breakdown of the materials, labor, equipment, and indirect costs required to complete 1 unit of work. For example, 1 cubic meter of concrete or 1 square meter of CHB walling. It is not a guess. It is a systematic calculation used by government engineers to ensure fairness, transparency, and accuracy in public projects. DUPA helps homeowners understand how construction pricing really works. Why DUPA matters for homeowners? Contractors often give lump sum prices that homeowners cannot verify. DUPA allows you to dissect these prices. You can see how many bags of cement are required, how many hours of labor are needed, which equipment is involved, and what overhead and profit should look like. With this knowledge, you will immediately see whether a quotation is inflated or realistic, giving you a strong negotiating advantage. DUPA structure, materials, labor, equipment. Every DUPA analysis contains 3 main components. Materials include cement, steel bars, sand, gravel, CHB blocks, tiles, or any consumable item needed. Labor represents masons, carpenters, helpers, and skilled workers based on output rate. Equipment includes mixers, vibrators, compactors, generators, or tools charged per hour. Understanding how these 3 variables interact allows you to compute unit prices confidently. Material cost analysis. Material cost begins by identifying the exact volume or quantity needed. For example, 1 cubic meter of concrete might require 8 bags of cement, 0.5 cubic meter of sand, and 1 cubic meter of gravel. DUPA assigns real consumption values instead of assumptions. When you multiply these by current market prices, you immediately get the material component of the unit cost. This demystifies pricing and eliminates guesswork. Labor productivity and output rates. Labor cost in DUPA is based on output rates, the number of units a worker can complete in a day. If it takes 2 masons and 2 helpers one day to complete 10 square meters of CHB wall, DUPA divides their daily wage across that output. This ensures that labor cost is fair and consistent. Homeowners can use these same formulas to verify whether contractor labor charges are inflated. Equipment cost and hourly usage. Equipment is charged based on the hours needed to complete 1 unit of work. If a concrete vibrator runs for 12 minutes per cubic meter, or a mixer operates for 20 minutes per batch, DUPA assigns hourly rates and converts them into unit cost. This ensures accurate costing and prevents contractors from adding excessive equipment charges that homeowners cannot track. Indirect costs, OCM and contractor profit. DUPA includes overhead, contingency, and miscellaneous OCM, along with contractor profit. These are normally 10 to 15% depending on project scale. Homeowners often assume contractors are overcharging, but DUPA proves that some margin is necessary for business sustainability. However, DUPA also reveals when margins become unreasonable. This protects homeowners from excessive pricing. How homeowners can create DUPA at 0 pesos. You don't need paid software to compute DUPA. With a simple spreadsheet, you can list materials, labor, and equipment, then multiply quantities by current market prices. By adding OCM and profit, you can generate your own unit cost. Many DPWH DUPA samples online serve as templates. With practice, even non-engineers can compute unit prices for basic construction tasks. How DUPA improves BOQ accuracy. ABOQ is only as accurate as the DUPA behind it. When unit prices are computed scientifically, the BOSHI becomes a reliable budget tool. Homeowners gain control of their finances and avoid surprises during construction. DUPA-based BOQs also prevent contractors from hiding costs within lump sum quotations, making project management more transparent. How DUPA helps prevent overpricing. When you know the true cost of 1 cubic meter of concrete or 1 square meter of plastering, you immediately see whether a contractor's price is inflated. DUPA makes the invisible visible. It reveals whether materials, labor, or equipment charges are realistic. Homeowners using DUPA can save thousands of pesos by rejecting overpriced proposals and negotiating with confidence. If you need help preparing DUPA, BOQ, or verifying contractor quotations using DPWH standards, visit www.vjsconsultancy.com. We prepare accurate cost breakdowns that give homeowners full financial control. Follow SmartPinoy Homes for more practical, data-driven construction insights.